Hello, in this video we are going to look how to configure a GPU for use with TensorFlow. In Ubuntu, one of the difficult thing to do is to configure the GPU with TensorFlow. In this video we are going to use Docker based approach for using TensorFlow with GPU. One of the prerequisites that is required for this method is Docker. You should install Docker into the Ubuntu. And for this method, we are making use of nvdia container toolkit. You can use the following. Initially you have to add this distribution into your Ubuntu. Then you need to install updates. Then using the apt-get command, you can install nvdia docker 2 and then restart the Docker. Once the Docker is once you have restarted the Docker, you can check whether the Docker is configured with the NVIDIA by running the following. That is, this runs a Docker image NVIDIA Barracuda. This will test whether your Docker is configured with GPU. Let us try this now. Here I have already done all the above steps, so I am just doing this for the demonstration. Okay, you can see that in this Docker is configured with the GPU. This is the CUDA version, and this is the GPU driver, and we can see that the NVIDIA GeForce is configured to be used with Docker. Now let us. This is a container for running the TensorFlow. Let us start TensorFlow using this a container, TensorFlow container with the Docker command. In this, while running this Docker container, you must be careful that you have provided these parameters, that is --GPU s_all. This is important for Docker to make use of GPU. And I am using the image TensorFlow bar, the TensorFlow latest GPU Jupyter. Since I have already downloaded the image, it took me just a little bit of time for the download for starting. Sometimes if you are doing this, it may take a few minutes to download this image. Now our Jupyter notebook is running at this IP. This is our Jupyter notebook environment. Let us now test whether our Docker is configured with the GPU. By this Python code, we can check whether the TensorFlow is capable of using the GPU that is configured with Docker. Yeah, now you can see that the TensorFlow that is configured in this image or container is 2.7.0, and you can see that this GPU available flag is obtained as true, as well as CUDA availability is also obtained as true, and this and from this we know that that TensorFlow is now capable of using the GPU of the PC. This is one of the hurdle-free method of actually configuring GPU to be used with Ubuntu. For this video, I am using Ubuntu 20.1. The rest of the methods that is configuring GPU with Ubuntu without a Docker may take time, and its method varies from version of the OS, as well as the version of the GPU that you are having, as well as the hardware you use. One of the easiest method that works is this that is using Docker. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you.